today for the Bitcoin, Ethereum and altcoin prices. And guys, you're probably looking at this title and asking yourself, what's a trap? Well, I think what is about to happen here in the immediate short term for Bitcoin, for Ethereum and for altcoins might be one of the biggest traps we have seen since a very long time. I will be going here directly into the charts for the immediate short term on Bitcoin. I will be going over into Elrond, of course, into the altcoin section, into Ethereum, and I will talk about what this trap might look like and why we have to be aware of that, where the price might be going in the immediate short term. And obviously I will be talking about my trades as well, my multi-million-dollar trades on Bitcoin and on the altcoins. Let's talk about that. Get ready for this video. If you wanna do anything of value today, it is certainly watching this video. It's a few minutes long only, and some things I'm gonna mention here, they will certainly blow your mind. I wanted to give a quick shout out to you guys. Thank you so much for watching recently. Like, look at this, the channel is just blowing up like crazy. We are getting the best like to view ratio in whole crypto YouTube worldwide. Thank you so much for that. Thank you for liking, thank you for sharing, thank you for commenting. I truly appreciate that, guys. You are the MMCrypto army, you are a force for good. And now let's go straight into the content. Let me take my famous pen here and let me actually talk about what a trap I'm talking about here. So as you remember, Bitcoin was positively here pumping into this falling wedge, eventually breaking out, not yet hitting the price target. Actually, we were forming a rising wedge here, breaking down. However, I do think that there is maybe a big shakeout coming. However, I am still remaining bullish on Bitcoin here, not only on the 4-hourly, but especially on the daily and weekly candles. The 4-hourly might have some chop. And where you think here, this is free fall mode and there is nothing for Bitcoin to be supported. No. Look at this chart here. So what you can see here, we have massive support coming in. And yes, the more often we are testing it, the more likely it is to be broken. But let me just zoom out a little bit more even here on the daily candles. We are right now kissing support, the upward sloping support of the previous rising wedge. Not only that, even if we break down, the downside is very limited. So if you are thinking right now, going into a short position, what is your upside on a short position? 100%, right? That is why I'm actually a one-dimensional trader. This is actually why I am going into long positions. If we are breaking down, your upside is 100%. If we are breaking out to the upside, your upside is potentially 100x, right? So what I do believe here is that not only that the downside is kept at 100%, no. The downside is right now, in my opinion, kept at 5%. There is the biggest support you could ever imagine coming in between 56 and 58,000 US dollars actually formed between March, April, and up until May even here, where we had huge traffic. And to prove it even further here, let me zoom out. I want to pull out the VPVR. Look at this. I will talk about Ethereum as well. There is a huge bunch of volume. Like, this is where many people actually broke even. We can expect, even if we are breaking this level, huge support coming in. Going into a short position right now might expose yourself to a significant amount of danger. I am actually still looking out for my following price targets: 67,000 US dollars towards the upside and 72 to 74,000 US dollars for the next 2 weeks to come. Also, guys, I am looking out for the biggest showdown in the history of crypto, actually. This 11-year resistance, if I were to zoom out here, we had multiple touch points here, 5 touch points actually to be exact in the last 11 years. For the first time in the history of crypto, we were not going into a multi-year bear market after touching this. This is what I was talking about. We are right now at the tipping point here. The moment Bitcoin breaks the 72,000 US dollar level, which is the moment here we are actually breaking the resistance, and closes a weekly candle above, this is when I am looking out for the following thing. I was talking about that over on my Twitter account. Let me quickly go back here and go over to the video camera. I was posting just a few minutes ago, no one is ready for the $10,000 a day candles, which will come for Bitcoin this year. And I truly believe so. Once we are breaking this resistance, it might take a little bit longer. Once we are breaking it, we are going to see this insane volatility to come. And now let me talk about the other things. And guys, honestly, I have crazy stuff to share with you. Not only my trades, not only price targets, but also actually what's going on in the altcoin section. Before I'm doing that, many people are asking me, where are you trading your altcoins? Where are you trading your Bitcoin? Well, I have very specific exchanges where I'm doing so, because I want to make sure that I am provided with enough liquidity, that I am not getting scammed out here with any wicks. This is my favorite exchanges that I have put together for you, the biggest bonuses in whole crypto YouTube. Go down below in the pinned comment, you will get put together $6,830. This is on leverage, 30x leverage. If you leave your own money on the sidelines, this is almost a $200,000 free trade. Go down below. The Bybit link alone grants you $4,500. Click the link, make your own account with your email, with your password. Takes like 10 to 12 seconds, and after your initial deposit, you are getting these bonuses credited. Yes, it's a bonus link. You get a bonus, we get a bonus. It's a fair deal. So thank you so much for that. Now let me go here into the next content. You already see that I'm talking a little bit faster than usually because I have to get this video out. I do not want you to get involved in one of these very risky short trades, which many people are going into right now. So what you can see here, and yes, obviously, guys, if it's going now a few $100s lower, don't tell me I would have gone short. It's extremely dangerous right now. You will see later what I'm talking about. So you can see here the Elrond chart was actually breaking out early, and I can remember how people were laughing at me. They were almost spitting on my chest when I was talking about Elrond to go higher in the immediate future. As you can see, from 250 we already went up to 316. Just 2 days ago when I talked about it, we were 10% lower. This is what I'm looking out for. $385, my price target for Elrond for this year to end, actually even potentially 4 digits. This is what I'm looking out for. And one more thing, Ethereum is, in my opinion, also bullish. Of course, there is support coming in a little bit lower than we are at right now. Let me quickly go down here. $4,381 is the next support. The previous horizontal resistance turning into new support. Let's hope for a bounce here. If Ethereum is successfully bouncing here, the old resistance gets new support, and then I'm still looking out for my price target of almost $5,000 to come. And of course, guys, I'm not just sitting here and talking about that. I do put my money where my mouth is. I still have my trades open. For example, here, my trade over on Femex, $7.4 million in this trade. Actually, right now racking up $1.15 million in profits, and my trailing trade is $748,000 trade, also still open, like almost break even, $20,000 in a profit. And yes, I am keeping these trades open because even if we are getting a rejection down, even if we are going to get supported here at the levels I mentioned earlier, these trades will be still profitable. These trades will be still in the green. And I'm not someone who is going in and out every day. I am doing these swing trades. And of course, if you want to do it as well, don't want to be a broken record, I just want to remind you, in the pinned comment, you will get all the links, all the bonuses for free as well for Ethereum. Guys, this was already it for today. Thank you so much for liking. Thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you so much for watching until the very end. And the most important thing is, of course, leaving your favorite altcoins down below, as I want to cover more of them in the immediate future. And sharing is caring, guys. Share this video with your friends. Thank you so much for watching. We are going to see each other very soon at the next one of MMCrypto. And as always, guys, bye-bye.